Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the left, the s go to the right. Next, we integral for the both sides. Next, y and y square we can do about factorization. Next, I will put negative on numerator and denominator. So dy I will put in here. So we need to add y. Later that we need to minus about y. So this one divided by this one, we have number 1. Y divided by y, we have number 1. So we have 1 over y minus 1 over y minus 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of y. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of y minus 1. This one, we have e to the power of s, and I will put about c. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equal to number 0, y equals to number 2, so we can find the value of c. So I will put number 0 gone here, number 2 gone here and here. This one we have number 1. This one we have ln number 1. That is about number 0. And now we can find the value of c. So that should be about c equals to negative ln number 2, negative number 1. And now I will put this one gone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.